welcome to Tutree. In this video, we will create a simple gallery web page using HTML basic concepts. Let's see how to make this. On one tab, I'm going to open codepin.io website. On the other tab, I'm going to search for Cocomelon images. So codepin.io is the platform that we'll be working today. Here you can code for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. First I'll code for HTML. We will start with HTML tag and we will also close it. In between that, we will use body tag. Open the body tag and close it as well. Now in between these two tags, I'll start giving the heading. I will use h1 tag for the heading purpose. I'm writing Cocomelon gallery, so that's how it's visible in the screen. Next, I'm going to add image. So first, find the image that you want to add. Just copy the image address. Now, add this tag ing space src equals to within quotation add the link that you have copied. You can also set the height and width of the picture so that all the pictures that you're adding will be uniform. Our first image is already on the web page. Now we will copy this image tag, paste it again. We will just change the link. Go find one more link, another picture, copy the image address of that picture. Copy image address. And you can replace it here. Similarly, you can copy whatever picture that you like, copy the image address, add it in the format that we have added here. Since height and width is going to be same, all the images will be looking uniform. In this way, you can create a gallery of your own products or your own images in the form of a web page. I have attached 4 to 5 images here. You can continue the same way and add all the images that you like. Hope you like this project. Follow Tutree for more such updates. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.